This is the first time I have been live for a very important reason. First of all, who I am and what is the reason I came live to our tutors. So the reason I will tell you in a while. Let me introduce myself. Myself Roshan Bhagat. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Tuition Corner. I want to thank all the tutors of our group to be a part of Tuition Corner journey. In the last 3 years, Tuition Corner has become the biggest group of tutors here in Kolkata, and hence the responsibility of the Tuition Corner has been even more increased and enhanced so that we can add more value to the tutors community. We can provide more services for the benefit of tutor and the student. Now, what is the reason that I came live here? So Tuition Corner is in the second phase of journey, and till now we have seen lots of teachers. They are facing lots of problem in providing tuitions. Their journey is not easy as earlier. Like they're facing lots of problems, issues, and also their income has been declined drastically. So in this phase, Tuition Corner has a goal to make a powerful plan so that we can try to make online tuition and offline tuition better so that our teachers can boost their teaching career and their income too. To achieve this goal, Tuition Corner will guide all the teachers through a special free module and campaign in which we will guide through a special strategy, guidelines, free tools and techniques to boost their teaching career and the income. This free module and campaign and training module will be totally free for our tutors and other tutors also, and I will try to publish minimum 1 video per week to help you out. Now, who can get benefits from this free campaign? It will be beneficial for the teachers, first who are struggling to find the student, second who already have the student but they are getting paid less than they deserve, one who want to get more student with a better payment, who want to increase their teaching and technical skill, and also one who want to gain free guidance, free tools to boost their teaching career, one who want to add X factor in their teaching, how they are different from any normal teacher, what the specialty about their teaching, and last the list, who want to identify their teaching potential and who want to leverage their teaching potential. So these are the some main categories of the teachers. Okay, they are main kind of teachers who can get benefits from these free modules. This free campaign is not beneficial for some kind of teachers, like those who are not serious about the teaching and the teaching responsibility, those who are only money minded, and also those who like don't want to change for better, or they are stick with their old teaching methods. Like we have observed lots of teachers, like especially aged tutors, they don't want to change for better teaching or technical skill. However, they are already experienced, but as you know, due to this current situation and in modern time, every teacher need to upgrade their teaching and technical skill to meet the demand of current situation. And the teachers who can invest time and effort for the self-improvement and to make the teaching career better. So we're starting the first campaign today. As you know, online teaching is in trend. Like obviously both have some pros and cons also. And this current situation of Corona boosted the online teaching on the peak. So that is the reason lots of teachers and students can't adapt this sudden change of mode from like shifted from offline to online. I've talked to lots of teachers and students also. They're facing lots of problems. As for the current situation, this is the only single option left. So whether we like it or not, we are bound to use this online teaching till the vaccine come in the market. I have shortlisted some major problems or the challenges that every kind of tutors and the student is facing. So all the major challenges you can see on the screen, I have mentioned here. But the good news is Tuition Corner has got the solutions for each problems. But I also respect the ideas and valuable suggestions of our tutors. Obviously, they are also teaching with their outstanding creativity and their special technique to teach online. So I also want the valuable suggestions and idea of yours, what you are using to teach online effectively, what the problem you are facing, what the solutions you are doing to solve that problem. So what you have to do? Analyze each problem given in the screen and find a possible solution for the same. Second, if you face some different kind of problem that you are facing that is not mentioned on the screen, then also you can mention that problem. And if you already have the solution for some problem that you are already using to teach online, that you can also mention. And last, what's your overall thinking about online teaching? What different kinds of problems, solutions, and like being faced by teachers and a student also, and your overall view, ideas, thinking about online teaching and offline teaching, you can mention. Now, how you can send to us? So either you can write problem and solution in your copy or in your computer. It's better if you using like live example, that will be better. And even you can record audio like on WhatsApp voice notes or video, like even you can record video to your camera, and like it maybe takes audio, video, whatever fits suitable for you, you can use that. And then you can WhatsApp or Telegram on the given number below. After all your valuable suggestions and feedback, the Tuition Corner will make a master training module topic like how to boost online teaching that will be helpful for each tutor and a student, so that learning and teaching can be better and fun. Thank you for watching this video, and kindly subscribe Tuition Corner so that you can be a part of next upcoming video series and campaign, so that will be beneficial for you. Thank you so much.